Good morning, Fox. So for today, breakfast ride kami ngayon ni Mrs. My OBR. Papunta kami ng Tanay, Rizal. So we're going to check out the Tanay Highlands. Tingnan natin yung view doon. At the same time, tikman natin yung kanilang food. So it's almost 7 in the morning and approximately 28 kilometers yung lugar na yun from our place. So maybe we'll be there in about 30 minutes. Okay, so sit back and enjoy the ride. Daming sea of clouds doon, no? Ganda ang view. Saan siya pupunta? So this is ano to? Tanay viewpoint naman ito. Cafe Caterina. Marami rin pupunta din eh. Windows. Ito yung windows, ano? Great. Alfresco.
Parang yung mga kainan natin.
Dito pa lang. Lagpas ng windows yun.
Sige.
Ayun, Isaw House. Ayun, Isaw House. Nasaan yung Highlands? Nalagpasan na natin yung Highlands. Tanay Highlands. Kasi nalagpasan natin yun noon dito eh.
Ay, ganun.
Oops. Hindi talaga pang rough road tong gulong natin. Dito mga dyan.
Sige.
Ha?
Sige.
Kabila ako nakatingin kanina nung dumaan tayo.
Panda.
Left. Tanay view. Pwede rin naman dyan. Pero sa kabilang view yan. Saan na yun? Parang ang layo na. Malapit lang yun eh. Saan na yun? Highlands. Bakit ganun? Hindi baka see.
Tumaba pa?
Hindi, dito lang yun sa taas eh. Ang laki nung signage dun eh. Na-miss ko yun. Yun, ayun, ayun. Tingnan mo sa likod.
Hindi ko maano.
Na-miss ko yan. benta sa mata. Malaki. Mas kurbada, hindi magandang daan. Ito.
Nakatakip na eh. Kaya may.
Hmm?
Natakpan na kasi.
Takpan.
Okay.
Ano to?
Makita. Nakatakip.
Ayan, sa bandang... Ay, ito kasi yung truck kanina. Ito yung truck kanina.
Ayan, natakip. Open na sila.
Tanay mo? Ay, open siguro. Open kaya?
Pasok.
Mau dine-in, sir?
Ha?
Dine-in?
Ah, dalawa.
Dalawa lang?
Ah. Ayan, so we've just park and ito naman po yung service natin for today, ang Versys 650 ng Kawasaki. It's a good performing bike, tamang-tama lang for leisure rides. So here we're entering the entrance of the Tanay Highlands. So very classy yung kanyang entrance, and I like the effect of the flora, the flowers. And then after that garden entrance, you will be greeted by this big open space with two areas of dining, one in the back and one in front, where you've got these stunning views. Okay, so andito ngayon yung of course yan yung choice ng diners, because you have a view of the Laguna Lake and then the Pililla Wind Farms. So this is really breathtaking, and you can see green na green yung mountains. It's the menu of Tanay Highlands. Yan, wow, sarap nito. Mexican pulled pork nachos, Highlands Goto. Wow, parang gusto ko yan. Salads. Okay. Pasta, bulalo, sinigang na salmon sa miso. Okay. Silog-silog. Ang order ko ay bangus silog. Yun. Chicken, pork. Yan. Parmesan crust. Ito naman, oh, masarap yung grilled. Ito namang steak. Prime ribeye. Drinks. Okay. Anong coffee natin? I want some hot coffee. Alcoholic. Aba. Meron pala dito eh. Oh. San Mig Light. Oh my god. San Mig Light 150 per bottle. Okay siya. Pang bakery. Basta Highlands talaga eh. Di ba? Mahal. Oh. Ayun. There you go. So yan folks, we just finished our breakfast dito sa Tanay Highlands. I wanna end this episode with the backdrop of a wonderful view of Laguna Lake and yung Pililla Wind Farms. Okay, see you as always. Stay safe, be healthy.